Go ahead and read it to me. Can you start at the beginning? You want to read Monkey Eats Worms? Go ahead. Monkey likes to eat apples.
Yeah.
Good.
Good.
Go ahead. Monkey likes to eat bananas.
Good.
Monkey likes to eat hot dogs.
Good.
Monkey likes to eat ice cream.
Good.
Monkey likes to drink milk.
Good.
Monkey likes to lick lollipops.
Good.
Monkey likes to eat worms.
Yucky.
Yucky. Just kidding. Okay, your turn. Read it to Mommy.
He like rabbit. Good. He's like worms. Yucky, kidding me?
Try this one.
Banana. Hot dog sweet. Good. My yucky asked me good. My yucky donuts. My yucky milk. Good. My yucky
Oh, hold on.
one. Yucky, kidding me?